Yay, we're rating!
Cheers, Ahmed. The cars are going so slow through the water.
You know, I've had a taxi once go around a puddle.
They always do.
The cab drivers, they don't want to, like, when there's a, what's it? Babala, I don't know what's called in English.
Puddle?
Not puddle.
A hole in the road.
It's not the hole where it's the oil. When you, like, shit in the bathroom, where does it go?
Into the sewage plumbing.
There are, like, there are, like, these wrap thingies, that what called in English.
What?
I was so distraught about not knowing what it's called.
What's up? Actually, I used to remember all that stuff.
The speed bump?
No.
No, not a speed
The
bump.
drain.
No, not a drain.
Sewage. A hole. A pump. A pipe. A sewage drain. One of the big round metal things?
Yes.
The-
Climb down it.
When
And
you
you
open
open
it,
it, yeah.
A manhole.
A manhole.